Hi everybody, welcome back. So we just got a few more things in the mail. Kevin is just putting on. Last you guys saw that we did the.
So guys.
Last you guys saw we did the Heim joints. We drilled the TLS that hasn't been put back together yet, but we finished all that. We're kind of just assembling everything together. So the tire situation. Originally we did order 5 new DSR 33s. When we went to pick it up, only 2 was ready. Well, they shipped us the tires, being that, you know, we came out and they felt bad that, you know, the wrong ones were in stock. Well, they shipped it to the house and they were still the wrong ones. So finally, it came to the shop and we took the the ones that came in, the 3 that were wrong. And they finally rerouted it or located it, I don't know. It's because these are so new. These are DSRs and not DSs. I guess the shipping warehouse, there's a miscommunication, and I guess they just weren't familiar with the new products yet. But here they are. We're going to be getting these prepped and mounted onto, well, for this week's video, or this weekend's video, we're going to be taking off these old DS's 32. These are 32s. New ones are 33s. We just got to take off these babies and replace them with these. One more thing, when we were at the sand show, we did go to the Method booth, and shout out to Method, because so you can see these parts right here. One of our valve stems on the old tires actually broke off when we were rock crawling. Yeah, I forgot what video that was. Gorman. Okay, yeah, we're at that rock garden at Gorman. So a valve stem broke off into 3 pieces. The guy there, we told him the situation. We were actually trying to buy it to see if they had any at the booth, which they didn't. And he said, hey, you know what? Here's my card. I'll just ship you some new ones. And he sent us 2. So yeah, shout out to Method for shipping us these brand new valve stems. And yeah, and then it's just the bill too. Obviously, they didn't charge anything. It's just to customer satisfaction. So thank you guys for replacing those for us. They sent us 2 instead of 1. So that's awesome. All right, everything's looking pretty good, guys. We got a good amount put together. So the wheels are prepped, or we're getting the wheels prepped. They're sitting here. Kevin's getting ready to dismount the wheel from the tire. So these are beadlocks, and what we're going to be doing is we have to take these off, right?
Yeah, we're gonna just unzap all these bolts. This ring comes off, and then we should be able to take the tire off.
Okay.
So let me go ahead and just zap it off real quick.
Alrighty. And that was the last one. So he's gonna take this off, or pop this off, and then
so the only thing that's hard is debeating this side.
okay, the bottom side.
Yeah, because it has like a death grip behind it.
Oh, okay.
Might have to just put on this rubber.
So you need like just step on it or what? This guy's not having it. What's going on? Daddy's beating up the tire.
You gonna help me?
You gonna get it?
Huh?
Go get it.
Come on, get it. It's too big?
Come here, bud. It's okay. You're okay, buddy. Sit. That's enough.
Hey.
Sit. Alright, so we plan B, since jumping on it didn't work. Kevin's going to be using the jack up from the trailer to press it down. So we obviously don't have a tool to dismount the tire, so we're just using what we have in our vicinity, and it's gonna be the jack trailer. Alright, we had to start over for a little bit to get a little spritz of soap and water on there. That normally helps. Oh, there you go. Just needed some soap and water. And now we gotta repeat on 4 more. So Kevin's just gonna finish the rest. And it's starting to get dark, so he'll finish the rest, and then we'll get back and show you guys how to mount the new tires onto our current wheel. Alright, so most of the wheels, all of the wheels have been popped out. Now it's time to mount on the DSR 33s. So the trick with this, guys, is just a lot of soap and water. Just lube it up so it just pops in a lot easier. Makes your life's, you know.
Just gotta wiggle in it.
Yeah, so underneath he has a Home Depot bucket, any bucket, you know, that you guys got laying around. You're gonna mount your rim on there. And that's what you're gonna be using as your base. Same when you're dismounting as well. Need a little bit of a spritz.
Yeah. There you go.
Yeah, sometimes you just need soap and water, guys. It just helps lube it up, and it just slides right through it. You know, the first couple ones can be a little frustrating because you're, you know, trying to get it in, but just soap and water if you're having a hard time or if it's getting a little stuck, just like what just happened. So he just has a couple more, and after that we just have to put the beadlocks back on, right?
Yep.
And air it up.
The bead ring?
Yeah, the bead ring. Here's one that's already done with the ring ready to go. Kevin's just been cleaning it and getting it all ready. All the other tires are here already out of all the wheels. It's looking good. Alright, so Kevin's just finishing putting on the bead ring thingy, border, whatever.
Beadlock ring?
The beadlock ring. And we're using some of this grease to
Well, it's
avoid
supposed to be anti-seize.
to avoid corrosion, right?
Yeah, but
Okay.
I don't have anti-seize, so I'm gonna just use this as an alternative.
So we just finished that. We screwed it on, and he's getting ready to just get everything locked into place. Once we're done, we can air it up, right?
Yes.
But everything looks pretty nice. Just, guys, Home Depot bucket. Dismount and mounting. Well, and with the help of the trailer, of course, to pop it out first, right?
Yeah, to break the bead. So then there, what I'm gonna do now, usually you could do a star pattern, but what I wanna do is I wanna seat it where it's gonna go around the circle. Cause you could go back and forth, but then I don't wanna wedge it to where it's gonna pinch one side and it's gonna suck it in.
All right.
So we're gonna just put on the lightest setting with the clutch. So we're gonna just go every other one. So you see how it goes one. And then as you can see, it's just gonna start spreading around. So it's kind of like a sticker. When you put a sticker on, you just lay it down and you try to squeeze all the air bubbles out. So that's what we're trying to do right now. So you can see it's starting to suck in. So now I'm going to go to the other ones. Okay, now I'm going to turn up the clutch. I'm going to just probably do 3. So since we're on a time crunch, I was going to have get this bead ring gloss black.
Oh gosh.
But we're not going to make it in time, so
yeah, we spent so much.
That's going to be our next project.
We spent so much time on those those rod ends.
But I was gonna take it to work and have it painted gloss black. But that's another project. So with this method, it requires, so it's a 15-inch. It's gonna be I believe it's a forge with anti-seize. So we're gonna go ahead and torque her 17 to 23 foot-pounds.
Okay. And did you torque those yet?
I haven't torqued anything
okay.
yet.
Once it looks like everything's all set, and the last thing we just need to do is torque it and add it onto the Can-Am. All right, guys, we just need to torque this down and get some air in all the tires, and it's ready to go back in. So the axles are done. This is gonna be done, and I don't know what's next after this video, but we're almost done. We're literally a couple days out, so we're just gonna finish up here, guys. Thanks for joining us again on our, what is this, like desert preparation, shock therapy at home kit installations. Hope any of this helped. We will see you guys next week. Bye, guys.
Hey, see you guys. Have a good one. Bye.